D.Y. Chandrachud is the 15th CGI of India, Chief Justice of India. 49th was U. Lalit. Arun Goyal is elected as Election Commissioner of India. Election Commissioner of India, Arun Goyal. The Chief Election Commissioner of India is Rajiv Kumar. C.V. Anand Bose. C.V. Anand Bose, Governor of West Bengal. Governor of West Bengal, replacing La Ganesan. And before La Ganesan, that was Jagdeep Dhankar, who is now Vice President of India. Justice Rituraj Awasthi, Chairperson of Law Commission of India. Justice Rituraj Awasthi, Chairperson of Law Commission of India. Subhrakanta Panda, Subhrakanta Panda, President of FICI, Federation of India Chambers for Commerce and Industries. Federation of India Chamber for Commerce and Industries. Subhrakanta Panda, President of FICI. Vishal Kapoor will be the CEO of Energy Efficiency Services Limited. Vishal Kapoor will be the CEO of Energy Efficiency Services Limited. Arvind Bhirmani elected as a full-time member of Niti Aayog. Full-time member of Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog have 3 members. Already Niti Aayog have 3 members: Professor Ramesh Chand, Dr. V.K. Saraswat, and Dr. V.K. Paul. Suraj Bhan, chairman, elected as chairman of National Pension System Trust. National Pension System Trust. Arun Kumar Singh, chairman of ONGC. Arun Kumar Singh, chairman of ONGC. Sandha Devnathan, head of Meta India. Sandha Devnathan, head of Meta India. K.V. Kamath, independent member of Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, Reliance Industries Limited. K.V. Kamath, independent member of Reliance Industries Limited. J.Y. Lee, executive chairman of Samsung Electronics. J.Y. Lee, executive chairman of Samsung Electronics. Dr. G. Hemprabha, Dr. G. Hemprabha, director of ISAR SBI, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Sugarcane Breeding Institute. Vivek Joshi, secretary of DFS, Department of Financial Services, under Ministry of Finance. Ramesh Kejriwal. Ramesh Kejriwal is the president of All India Rubber Association. All India Rubber Association. Rubber Association, Ramesh Kejriwal. C. Andha Ramakrishnan, director of CSIR NIIST. Greg Barclay, independent chair of ICC. Greg Barclay, independent chair of ICC. Vineet Kumar, CEO of KVIC, Khadi and Village Industries Limited. KVIC. Vineet Kumar is CEO of KVIC, Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Minesh Sisa, Managing Director of NDDB. MD of NDDB, National Dairy Development Board. National Dairy Development Board. Sundararaman Ramamurthy, MD CEO of BSE Limited, Bombay Stock Exchange Limited. Sundararaman Ramamurthy, MD CEO of BSE Limited. Luis Inacio Lula da Silva. Luis Inacio Lula da Silva, President of Brazil, succeeding Jair Bolsonaro. Luis Inacio Lula da Silva, President of Brazil, succeeding Jair Bolsonaro. Benjamin Netanyahu, PM of Israel, succeeding Yair Lapid. He is 25th elect. Anwar Ibrahim, Prime Minister of Malaysia. Anwar Ibrahim, Prime Minister of Malaysia. Elon Musk, CEO of Twitter. Bjorn Gulden, CEO of Adidas Group. Bjorn Gulden, CEO of Adidas Group. Leo Messi, Global Ambassador of Byju's. Global Ambassador of Byju's. Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra is the brand ambassador of Switzerland Tourism. Switzerland Tourism. Neeraj Chopra is the brand ambassador of Switzerland Tourism. Ghana is now president of United Nations Security Council. Ghana is now president of United Nations Security Council. Bob Iger, returning as the CEO of Disney. Bob Iger, returning as the CEO of Disney.